Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your reading lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. We're in our Wonders Reading Series, Unit 2, Week 5, Day 4. Our essential question is how can you find your way around? Oral vocabulary words. Height. How tall it is. Lana's height is 3 feet 5 inches. How can you measure your height? Model. A small copy of something large. Grandpa built a model of an airplane. Have you ever seen a model? What was it of? Locate means to find. Tim looked all over the house to locate his missing shoe. How can you locate information in a book? Route. The road or way to get somewhere. We take the same route to school every day. What do you see on your route to school? Separate. You keep two things apart from each other. Workers at the animal shelter separate the cats and dogs so they will not fight. Why might it be a good idea to separate cats and birds? Let's review last week's words. Leadership, the ability to guide a group of people or the action of leading others. Thanks to Coach Jackson's leadership, the team won the game. How can good leadership from the principal help our school? Admire, you approve of and like a person. Amy admires her neighbors because they helped clean up the park. Whom do you admire? Connections. Links between two or more things. The connections between people in a community can be strong. What are some connections between you and your neighbors? Enjoy. You like something. Cats enjoy being petted. What is something you enjoy doing with friends? Rely. You know you can trust someone to help you. Children rely on their parents for many things they need. Whom do you rely on to get to and from school every day? Phonics. Let's build words. This word is catch. If we change the C to H, it becomes hatch. Now let's change the H to L, latch. Let's change the L to M, match. Let's change the M to P, patch. Now let's change that vowel in the middle. A becomes I, pitch. The P becomes a D, it is ditch. Let's change the D to H, hitch. And let's just drop the H, let's get rid of it. Itch. Change the T to N, inch. We add a P in the front, pinch. Let's change the I to U, punch. Let's change the P to H, hunch. Let's change the H to L, lunch. Let's change the L to M, munch. Let's change the M to CR, crunch. Structural analysis, inflectional ending, ES. We add ES to some naming words to make them mean more than one. The letters ES at the end of patches mean there is more than one patch. We add ES when the word ends in CH, TCH, SH, XZ, or SS. Branch becomes branches. Batch becomes batches. Dress becomes dresses. Read the word and write the plural and read the word aloud. So you can pause the video and you can practice writing these words. Box becomes boxes. Brush, brushes. So which one is plural? The one with ES. Very good. Which one is plural? Patches. Very good. Which one is plural? Messes. Very good. High frequency words. Around. You can pause the video and you can spell the word around. You can write it on your own. If you have paper or a board or something to write on, you can practice writing that word. By. Many. Place. Walk. Place. Call. her, day, want, eat, know, of, under, who. All right, grammar, irregular plural nouns. A noun names a person, place, or thing and begins with a lowercase letter. You add s or es to most nouns to name more than one, but other nouns change the spelling completely. So let's choose the correct noun to complete the sentence. Two blank sit at the desk. Man or men? Men. M-E-N. Very good. Three blank run around the block. Three women or women? Women. W-O-M-E-N. Women. I have two hands and 2 foot or feet? Feet. F-E-E-T. Very good. Six blank play on the swings. Child or children? Children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Mechanics, capital letters and periods. A statement always begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. Let's correct the sentence. A chick sat on an egg. Oh my, there's a lot going wrong with this sentence. Let's fix it. The A should be capitalized. We don't need a capital C. We don't need a capital E. And are we asking a question? No, we're just making a statement, so we should just end with the period. My dog hid in the bush. Remember, sentences begin with what? Capital letters, and it's telling us information, so it just ends with a period. Read each sentence in a whisper voice and do what it says. Catch a ball. Be a whale. So you read that in a whisper voice and be a whale. Where's your chin? You whisper that, point to your chin. Chop a tree. Whisper that and act like you're chopping a tree. All right, I've enjoyed you. I will see you next time.